We should look for Nipa Bi and Akuffo the Kwama appointment. Politics.
Welcome to today's episode of the Political Ranch with me, the voice right here on GCN TV page, soon to be Ghana and Sem TV page. Your popular page, your favorite page is going to go through some rebranding, and very soon we will be Ghana and Sem TV. Right, so please stay with us as we go through this transformation to bring you better and bigger content, longer contents. Right, so NDC is looking for help. NDC is asking for help from MPP. Strange, right? But that is it. That is where we have gotten to. NDC is asking MPP for help. Why? Now, this man that is talking is an NDC man. And he's saying, sir, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama wants to do national dialogue because he wants to promote inclusiveness. Now, national dialogue in a sense, people from various backgrounds and various political parties, including MPP, come together, discuss things that they can do for Ghana, and so that will give him Mahama an idea as to how to run the nation and send the nation forward. Now, my question. John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, already before now, had made us understand, say, he wasn't coming on the scene to be a father for all. Right? So John Mahama, His Excellency, is not a father for all. He's coming to do the bidding of NDC. Number two, NDC made us understand, say, they had people that were way better than the people Akuffo was working with. Now, Malik Basitale no way. I was thinking, say, by now, you are appointing as a Auditor General. Because people like Malik, they were on TV on every single day, insulting Akuffo, insulting Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, insulting anybody that was working or holding a position in government under Akuffo, calling them useless, of no use. So I was expecting to say, by now the likes of Malik and the rest, they might have the solution to all our problems. Why is there a need for inclusiveness? Why are you now asking MPP for help? You have enough people. You have a party that has over 1 million membership. You have solutions to our problems. So why are you looking for people?
I'm a Ghana. We should look for Nipa Bi and Akuffo the Kwama appointment. Politics.
Okay.
Ghana for bit me do one dance say. Nipa sumasi. Adwuma de show mun san. Omo ye wan fa anya politics ko ye adwuma se Ghana.
Some 3.1.
Why not?
About a party will not allow.
Why not? Oh yes, sir. You ensure inclusiveness. Ubia wa binchebi obede. And from President Mahama experience, now o propose national dialogue now. Then the BBC be a sitting team can away all count. Na eye adie bi a ono wahun se saade no e betima eden
e pacho mo mamini bi nua betra se mamina ase
So everybody was a devil in your eyes. Everybody was a devil. So you don't need their help. You have it all figured out. Okay? You have it all figured out. John Mahama is an experienced driver. Now, Anka, uyo bia, uwa jumpa. Unim say at some point you will need help from your opponent. Would you do the first thing you come into office and you do is that you sack all MMDCs? You sack all MMDCs. Are the MMDCs you sack, weren't people doing well among them? Were some people not doing well among the MMDCs that were sacked by John Mahama on his first day as president? Some were doing well. But there is no intention of NDC to have any inclusiveness. It is a job for the boys' agenda. And that is what it is. We must be able to say the truth. Call a spade, and not a long spoon. There is no agenda for inclusiveness. And to some of these things that they have sent their people, said they should come and say, oh, they want national dialogue. No, they just want to create that impression as though they are inviting MPP to come and help develop Ghana, and MPP has no interest because they are not in power. They are setting up my party. And the leadership of MPP do not attend any meeting that is geared at, oh, let's come and find solution and all those things. In the end, it is a setup. So let us not attend, and let's explain to Ghanaians why we are not attending. We are not attending because even when we go there, John Mahama, His Excellency, won't take your ideas. Even if he takes your ideas, he's not going to give you the credit that, oh, this idea is coming from MPP. This idea is an Akuffo idea that we are adopting. And they did the same thing to us. When Akuffo was talking about free senior high school, they campaigned against it, did adverts against it. Then when they saw that election was getting close, they said they were bringing what? Progressively free. So we have seen on occasions where NDC has stolen the idea of MPP and tried to do it as though it's their own. So we are not going to attend any inclusive whatever. And who are MPP? John Mahama will give you an appointment and you will accept. We will know what to tell you at the right time. Okay? Because it is touch one, touch up. One falls, we all fall. That is how we are going to be in opposition. Yes. So if you were not given the honor, if they campaigned to make us look like evil people, that we didn't want Ghana's best interest, and we didn't have it at heart, let us leave them to rule the country the way they think they can rule it. And let's see what Ghanaians say in the end. Ghanaians will be the best judge. If or not, NPP was the best or NDC was the best. So nothing like inclusiveness. Go share the portfolio among yourselves, appoint yourselves, and do the work the best you can. 2028, Ghanaians will decide if you got an A or you got an F. But we wish you well. We will be here to comment about everything, every step of the way. Until then, this has been your favorite The Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on GCN TV page, soon to be Ghana and Sem TV. So please like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, see you in the next one. Bye-bye.